I'm Vanessa Joy here at the Strong and Shapely gym. Not to work out, we're here to do some fitness photos and test out this Savage Universal Multi-Flex stand. If you haven't heard about this light stand, prepare to be amazed. This is the most versatile light stand in the entire world, which is going to help us out in the gym where we're gonna have to get it next to or under some machinery, maybe cram in a corner or get it on some steps. This light stand can do it all. So we went through a few different areas of the gym, and my goal was to get a little bit of color in these shots, and we worked out really nicely. We actually matched the first shot with the color of Jesse's shoes. Jesse, by the way, is a competitor for Male Fitness, and he's also a personal trainer, so definitely check out his Instagram. So my goals were to do a little bit of color, but of course to show off his physique. So for the most part, I was gridding my lights and having them come from a side angle to give as much texture and dimension to all of his cut muscles as possible. Then depending on where we were, I threw in an extra light or two to give a little bit of color, a little bit of pop, and make it more grand than normal. I did have a little bit of light coming in from the area, and it wasn't so bad. I don't want it to look like it's a cave. I just want to make sure that I can get a little bit of ambiance without letting the overhead lights or even the natural light that's coming through the window take over what I'm trying to do with my strobes. The last thing that I wanted to do in the last two sets of shots was use a fog machine. So being able to use a fog machine very lightly, because certainly I don't want to set off any fire alarms, and theoretically it's not supposed to, but knowing me, it definitely would. The smoke gave the shots so much more dimension. It gave atmosphere to it, made it look more ominous, just made it look just badass. It was fantastic. I think I just want to add smoke to every shot I ever do from now on. I really like what we got, everything from working out shots, in-action shots, to ones that were a little bit more posed, and of course the stuff that he demonstrates during the stage competitions that he does. He actually just won his first title. So the first time that I used the Savage Multi-Flex light stand, I want to get it underneath these weights, because working with the bench where it was, I need the light a little bit further away than right on top of my subject. So I was able to lower the one leg, put it underneath the dumbbells, and get it in the perfect spot. Now the second time that I used this, I placed it on stairs, and admittedly, I did not need to place it on stairs. I just wanted to use that feature and see how easy it was to position it. It was easy to position, and then of course there's a leveler on top where I can make sure that it's level and my light is as sturdy as it's going to be. One of the other great features of this light stand is that you can use the middle leg as an additional support. So whether I'm putting that leg underneath something or cramming it into a corner like I did for my third shot, I can use that middle leg as another point of stability. It's almost like having four legs on your three-legged light stand. I have to say, I was really impressed with the versatility of this light stand, and of course, if I was going to use it on uneven ground outside, I'd be able to do that and fine-tune it so that my light stand is as supported as it possibly could be, straight up and down. It doesn't hurt that it comes in a cool color either. The electric blue is definitely eye-catching, and honestly, I think it helped me get another job here in this gym. Finally, this is a sponsored video from Savage, so of course I was looking for places to put this light stand and really put it to the test. You wouldn't necessarily have to use all of these in any given location, but it's nice to know that you're not going to be limited by your environment in where you can put your light. My name is Vanessa Joy. Hit like, subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed this photo shoot. Make sure you check out Jesse as well. Bye.
2 minutes for $200.
That's right, 2 minutes for $200.
You could beat me.
I'm later.
No, I'm already going down.